What's going on, everybody? I did a video earlier doing a review on Street Speed 717's detail spray, and I had a question come in about what is my favorite spray to use or my favorite cleaning product, and essentially I wanted to do a quick video about it. So this is it right here. This is a ceramic wet wax from Turtle Wax. What this does is actually puts a hydrophobic coating on your vehicle. So we're actually going to do it on our 2021 Jeep Wrangler that we just picked up, and you'll see how good this looks. What it does, it just makes it shine so well. It keeps water from beating up on it, just repels right off. Dust, pollen, anything like that just will slide right off the car, and this will last probably up to like 3 months or so. So it's well worth it. It's probably my favorite cleaning product for your vehicle. Plus, the other part about it is that you can do so much with this type of stuff. So they have multiple in the line. So this is the wet wax. They have just a standard one that you could put on after washing the car and drying it, but this goes on while the car is still wet. So after you washed your car, when you go to dry it, you use this, and like I said, gives you a good 3 months of shine and protection. So let's do it. This product is really good. It's almost like a RainX. It's great to use on every part of your vehicle. All your trim, even your windows. You can see all the water that's beaded up on the windows now, but watch as I spray it. The hydrophobic coating starts to work immediately, and the water starts running. Once you dry it off, you now have a nice coating that will stay. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can, give it a good thumbs up. Make sure you like it, share it, and be sure to subscribe. We got tons of Jeep content coming to the channel. Like I said, we just picked up this new 2021 Jeep Wrangler. If you want to see more Jeep content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a thing.